Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your account is locked on Snapchat. For example, if you try to put your username and password on your Snapchat login device and you see this kind of error, your account is locked. Your account was locked because our system determined it violated our community guideline. But if you have not violated any community guidelines, then you can simply click on appeal decision, and after that you can simply put all the details. If you have any, then you can simply request Snapchat to recover your account. But if it doesn't work, then there is also another method which you have to follow. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the browser, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for the Snapchat support. And here you have to simply click on the first link you are provided with, and you have to click on I can't access my account, and here you will find all the details related to my account is locked. An account can be temporarily or permanently locked. If your account is temporarily locked, you can try to log in back via app or on the web going to Snapchat accounts portal. If you attempt to log into Snapchat and see a message that account has been permanently logged, it means we have detected some activity that violates our community guidelines or terms of service. So we have logged your account and may have removed your content. You have ability to appeal this decision as described. How to submit a locked appeal, account appeal. So you have to simply follow the detail, and after that you have to put the appeal, and after you have submitted the appeal, then you have to simply wait for the time to decide whether Snapchat want to unlock your account or not. What type of account locks are able to be appealed? Account locked by our field safety team for violation or community guideline can be appealed. You have the option to appeal your account lock, which means if you are showing appeal your account, then you can simply appeal for it. But if there is no option available, that means Snapchat has permanently locked your account. So you have to create a new account and use the Snapchat. Otherwise, your account will not be recovered. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.